Hello guys, mrIreviewstuff here, and this is my first video, and it's actually not a video that's a review. It's a video showing you how to install something that people normally upgrade in their computers, and what that is RAM. So, what I'm about to install is DDR RAM inside a Dell Dimension L1000R. If you have this computer, it's actually quite easy, and it's actually quite easy on any other computer. What you basically want to do is you want to open up the computer casing, and on the Dell Dimension L1000R, you have like a little whatever this thing is called to help you open up the case. And then what you can safely do is pull off the casing. Find a safe place for that to be. Okay, guys. And here's the inside of the PC. Okay. And if you move these little wires right here, this is a 2-slotted RAM computer. Okay? So let's see if we get actually a little light and bring the camera. Okay, you see you have these 2 little slots right about here. These are 2 slots. So that means they could take only 2 sticks of RAM, because basically it's an old computer. So what you should find first is these 4 little white slots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And so what you basically want to do is align the notches of your RAM with one of the notches, right? With one of the notches, or 3 of the notches right there. So, what you do is you take the RAM and you try to insert it as best as you can into one of these. So you want to put it in. Actually, open this first. I'll step myself, guys. Sorry. And you slide it right into the little notch. Okay. And there it goes. And then what you have to do is next, some people might think they're going to break their RAM by doing this, but they won't. Take the RAM and you push it in. You actually have to put some pressure on the RAM, and you push it down, and the RAM sticks in, and the little white things close on the RAM to hold it in to your computer. Second one, same thing. Basically, align the notches and take the RAM and put it in. And you see how the little white thing kind of snaps on, and you push it and watch. And it closes in. Okay? So, guys, you see that it's the RAM is installed now into this computer. This is not new RAM, this is the RAM that came in this computer, because this is actually a very old computer and we use it as a backup. My actual computer is a compact in which I have 1.24 gigabytes of RAM running Windows XP. I'm going to have another gigabyte of RAM added to it, and we'll see how we go from there. And also, there's this thing called grounding yourself. So what that means, guys, is that you actually have static electricity running through your hands, and if you touch the RAM while you have static electricity in your hands, there's a possibility that the static electricity could transfer to your RAM and deaden it, basically. And you can basically just kill your RAM. So what you want to do is probably just touch a doorknob or something, or if you've been, running around the carpet, sliding on carpet all day, touch a doorknob. Or if you haven't been doing anything at all, nowhere, you don't even have anything to conduct static electricity, just touch it as a just in case, okay? So what you want to do is just go ahead and put your casing back on to your computer. Okay, yeah, that was a fail. On your computer, and I gotta put the camera down to do this. Alright. Back on. safely. And your RAM is installed, guys. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe. This is my first video here. There will be more to come on reviews. This has been Mr. I Review Stuff. Thanks for watching.